All right. Hi everyone. How's the last week? How was it's not the last week, but this is our last weekly thing. I can't believe that we are already like done with the cohorts. Anyway, I hope you did gain and benefit something from this. Yeah. And let's see. Let's start with the demo and see how the app came up. Did you agree how you will do the final like demo? Will it be only one of you who will go through the whole app, or each one of you will show what they did?
I think it makes the most sense to start with the nav bar and then the home page and then the pages that are after that in order of so list page and then manage page.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, I see there's one pull request that isn't merged yet. Has anybody worked on that
Oh,
yet?
which one?
There's one pull request that isn't merged yet.
I think IJ opened up that pull request, but I don't think
Yeah,
I think she made another pull.
yeah, we were going forth and back, like for some changes, and I guess we can go ahead and merge it for now. I believe everything should be working.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
yeah, it's working. No, I was probably looking at another link or something, but I just looked at the production link and everything is like working.
okay. Do you
Except the
have
home
like
page.
okay, so the homepage is the IGPR, I guess.
Yeah. So it does need to be merged.
But now there are some merge conflicts, I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Does anyone want to go ahead and do the merge conflict? Do you wanna do it live? Let's do a final live merge conflicts. It will be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I could share my screen.
All right.
Let me pull the changes first. 1 second. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Oh, okay, cool. No, this is another one. Or I could just use Git.
Maybe you can even try to just solve it in GitHub. Not
Oh,
sure
okay.
if the conflict is if it's complicated or not. Let's take a look.
Okay.
Okay, so there what I can see is like it's just the AMP ports, so we can keep both. We can keep the button and the icon and the delete list. Yeah, you forgot there some the equal signs. Yeah, line 5. But this one is, so let's see what's this one.
Is the handle delete?
Okay, but what is it conflicting with?
It doesn't say.
So let's see. So we have them.
Oh, sorry, there's 2 returns.
Yeah, there's 2 returns. I guess we want to keep combination of both. Let's see. So we have that the first button is for What's the first button is? Handle click.
I think we want to keep this because this has got the class names
Yeah,
for
the class name and everything. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
and delete this return.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
go ahead.
yeah, I agree.
Okay. So delete this.
Be careful with parentheses and curly braces.
Okay, wait, let me just undo that for 1 second. This is the matching parentheses, so I'll delete up to here.
Yep. Yeah, and you want to add one parenthesis at the end for the
yeah.
return statement. Okay.
I think
So we
that's it.
have the handle cleaned. Yeah, but there is still something. Delete handle click. There is that local storage there. What is it for? So there is something.
Shall I compare it to the main?
Yeah, go ahead.
From local.
Yeah, go ahead. Let's see. or what we can do is because IG branch is the one that is like with the latest changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what we can do is just you can go ahead and like go to IG branch, which is I believe it's IG home or something like that, and copy the main, or just compare it with it. Just compare and see what we should have there.
Okay. Okay, I'm not seeing a catch error.
I think you're in the
Oh,
wrong.
that's yeah.
Oh,
You're
I'm
on
in the wrong.
doc.
Yeah.
Single list.
Single list.
I'm on home. Well, let me just close everything. I think I have to get pulled. I haven't get pulled. Yeah. Yeah, I still don't have the try
If you go-
catch stuff.
If you go to single list component.
Single list, yeah.
Oh, is it single list? Okay.
Yeah, that one.
That
yeah, you
one.
can
Okay, great.
everything I think, right? Ah, but it seems it's the same actually. Already, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we just have that local storage there. It should be removed. On line 36.
Okay.
Yep.
Delete that then?
Yeah, delete it along with the equal signs. Click. Okay, this should work. Hopefully.
Okay.
I mean, you still have the next week to do some changes
Mark
and
as
to
result.
mark as a result. Oh, we still have more.
This is
Yeah.
We still
the
have
home.
more files. Okay, so again, it's
I think we can just take everything from IJ's like you can just delete the one that's not from IJ's, I think.
yeah. Did anybody else work on the homepage?
No, just
A
IJ.
little, I worked a little bit on the homepage as well, but I think I might have made a mistake.
Okay. So we can then just use IG, and then we can change later, just for the sake of simplicity.
Shall I just copy everything from here?
Yeah, because it's this shouldn't be the way, but
I think I forgot to pull also from main.
oh,
That might have been.
okay, makes sense. Let this for this it should be like both of them because this is not.
Okay, layout CSS. So the only
Yeah.
conflict is here.
Yeah, we can keep both. We can keep the apply and we keep the background color.
Okay, so I just remove this.
Yep.
No, I think you can delete the background color because it's gonna contradict with the other background color as well.
Okay, go ahead.
Another background color.
Yeah, we have another one. Yeah, there. And this is the layout. Well, the layout. Henry also worked on the layout, so.
Okay, I'll just do copy from here.
Oh wait, for the layout, actually, I worked on this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we need to go slowly here. We need to decide what we should keep and what we should remove.
Okay.
So
the first one, yeah, the first one you can remove.
Yeah, you can remove the first
here
one.
to here.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's
Okay.
good now.
Yeah. Line 44. Remove the. Okay. I guess that should do it.
Yeah.
It's doing a check.
If the build passed, that means we have no errors. If not, that means we missed something. So I'll
Okay.
just see.
Shall I wait for this for the checks or shall I just merge it?
Let's wait. It will be better to wait.
Okay.
Okay, deploy failed. So what you wanna do now is pull again this branch, pull it again in your local. Yeah, do pull like the latest changes. Pull, and now just do let's start with the npm start to see where's the error. Okay, yeah, so we have additional bracket there.
Single list.
Single list.
Okay.
Yeah, here it is.
Okay, well, I'm not sure what I'm missing.
I guess you need to add one more bracket at the end.
Maybe just delete that one. I don't know. I think, yeah, should be good. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Now you can push you can commit and push.
Okay.
Oh, before committing, let's do git build and see if it will. sorry,
NPM.
npm build. Yeah.
Okay.
What did it say? Okay, can you
Unknown
go to the
command.
can you go to the package .json to see what command we have there? Go to scripts. So go down for in the scripts. So we have build there. So maybe npm run build, something like that.
Yeah,
Oh, that's what it's saying as well. npm run build.
Okay. Okay, let's see if it will build, and then we can commit and push the changes.
Okay, just a minor warning.
All right.
But it's,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
it's
Okay.
built.
It passes. We can go ahead now.
Git push.
Yeah.
Oh, git add.
Yeah, git add. Okay, now the check should pass. We go back to.
But I think, did we not work on a different branch, or did we work on? I think we might have worked.
We worked on this one, IG home, right? It's there, IG home. We worked on this one.
Okay. Oh, I got the email.
Yeah. Okay, please work. Oh, it's taking a long time.
Okay,
Okay.
it's passed.
It passed, great.
Okay, I'll let the first person go. I think it's the navigation bar first.
Yeah, I can go. Wait, let me just delete the cache. It's still the old version.
Yeah, it won't be there right away. I may need to wait more few minutes, but if you have the navbar on production, maybe you can start with that.
Okay.
And
Cool.
yeah, while you are there in Firebase, while you are there, oh, never mind.
Oh, sorry.
Never
What did you
mind.
want me
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, this is still the old version. But it's okay.
Yeah, but the navbar is the latest one, right?
Yeah, the number, the latest one.
Okay, go ahead, and then we can after the next person, we will. I guess we will see the newest one. So
Okay, let's hope so. All right, yeah. So I made some changes into the navbar. So now, if you sign in, now the sign in section is here on the right with an icon as well. So once you press sign in, it will load. Oh, okay.
there we
Nice.
go.
This is
This
the
is the latest one, right?
Although, yeah, I guess the navbar kind of broke a little bit. It was supposed to be on either side of the window, so the sign out should be here, and then the welcome your name should be on the left side here. And then, yeah, as you can see, the page that you're in is highlighted by a different color. So if you go to the list page, it will also be highlighted here. And then if you go to the manage list one, it also is highlighted over here. Yeah, I added some icons as well. And then also with this icon here as well. So, this is a smart shopping list. That's it. And should I also show the code as well, or?
If it is only yeah, you can.
Yeah, okay. Well, not much. Oh yeah, I have to first.
You don't have to go like in details about CSS, but just an overview.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I mean, we use a lot of Tailwind as well, and then we use some icons from React Icons. Yeah, and then there's of course the nav links. We pushed it up to the top instead of being on the bottom now. And what else? Some hover for the different colors as well. And also when it's active, this is gonna be highlighted with the color as well. Yeah, that's about it, I would say.
Okay, great. Looks good. Thank you, Khadija. And who is going next?
The homepage, I think it's IJ's actually.
All right. IG, can you hear us?
Okay. All right, please can you give me a sec? Please. Please.
Will you share the screen, IG, or?
Can I see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So Last week I was trying to explain and the network issue. So
sorry, IG, I guess you are still, the version is still the old version. So maybe you may want to close this tab and close every tab that has, you are actually not in production. So I will send you the link in here so you can actually do the demo on production. Okay?
Okay, or someone else can do it for me, please.
Okay,
So
I
I'll
will
just
try to.
explain what I did. Yeah.
I can also share my screen again.
Yeah, go ahead, Khadija.
Okay. But
Okay.
yeah, you have to stop shit
Let
screen.
me stop sharing.
Okay. All right. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, thank you.
No worries.
So at the home page, what I did last week was that I tried to create the select. If an item is being created, it will be highlighted if the user. So I created just go down this black arrow. So it moves up and down. So any item you in, so you be able to track it. Then also I created the trash icon. So this allows you to delete any item from the browser if you don't want to track it again. So you could delete it from this place. Say I click on it, you see it will delete. Then it reloads the page, giving you a fresh update of the item. Then for the code, I don't. Oh my God. Henry, please could you this trash icon, Henry actually accepted me in doing it. So I'm going to pass by the mic to you so you can explain what we did in this place.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to share my screen. So please not share my screen.
The list page? Or do you want to share your screen actually?
No, he
Sorry.
wants to explain the trash icon.
Okay. Sorry. Let me share
Yes.
that.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Stop sharing my screen so I can share my.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, can everyone see my screen?
You carry your friend to your village.
Yes, we can.
And now one follow you.
Yep.
All right, so okay, so the changes we actually made together was made on the Firebase. So right there was supposed to. Okay, I've not made a kick proof. Sorry.
Is it from Lagos or Anambra? That it is if your driver is fast to you say maximum 12. Wait, did you say maximum is 12? Actually, like 12. Yeah.
Should I try to share my screen so you could see it?
Yeah.
Henry, you have
If it's not so bad,
you
I'm
just
talking about like
just
maybe
remove the do get restore and dot first get restore.
because from
Get restored.
Anambra to this
Yeah.
place sometimes like
No.
2-3 hours.
Just one get.
So
Remove the gates.
and that
Yep.
one also.
And
Before
dot at the end. Dot at the end. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Now do git
So
pull.
now it kicks.
Okay.
How is life difficult?
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Okay, all right. Yeah. So yes, the
It's
function is
not.
actually wrote
It's the
to
song you are
handle
saying.
deleting a particular list.
Like, yeah, it is
So
wrong. So
here,
if you see me face to face, you will run. Which reminds me, I saw this person the other day. What's his name?
okay, here.
One
So
two.
we have the
But
trash icon here,
as
which
much as
calls
I
this
don't know him,
handle
Papa.
delete function, which is an async function.
One two Daniel.
So the function here actually takes in
Why
two
not?
arguments.
Like
So it takes
it
in
was
the
a kind
list
of
part
like
and
I saw
also
the face.
the email.
He clicked,
So
but
yeah,
by
we're
that time
simply
he had
just
not even
just
looked
trying to
at me.
just
So I just looked at my phone and pressed and
reset
passed him. Because why
the
I got
value
down
for
to
the
see.
TLC shopping list part local storage key, so as not to have a refresh of what we have in the Firebase store. Because
Same thing with
apparently,
this person
when you
now. That's what I'm doing
delete
with
a
this guy.
particular
What's that his name?
reference or a
This
particular
tall thin
list,
guy,
you get,
dark,
you can't delete whatever
Naji.
items are in that list. So you
The
have
other
to
day,
do it manually.
short.
So they tell you to do it manually.
Hold
So
on,
we could
wait,
not
no.
do
We
that
used to
deletion.
like every
So we
time that
had
we
to just
see,
reset
we used to talk. It's not
the
talk. We
value
used to like hey
into an
hi and
empty
talk.
string.
Hey hi, how many times? The other day, huh?
Yeah. So right
Yeah,
here we have to get the document ref,
but like the
so
other,
which is just getting the list part and the document ref for that. And then we also have to get the
this guy,
users
black hole, you know.
the document ref to the users this thing
Huh?
information on the database.
Yes.
So then we called the delete doc on the document ref so as to delete
It's
the
not very
list
very
in the
easy.
console and then so we also noticed that the refs in the users data is actually stored in an array. So there's a method
If it's
on
not
the
this big
Firebase
big clothes
SDK which
that
is
he's
used to
wearing now,
handle
the thing they hide us.
arrays. So we have the array union and also have the array remove. So we also had to get that, so which is on the shared list here, which is just simply an array. And then we used the array remove and then passed in the document ref so as to delete that particular reference in the user's array list. So that was just basically what we just did. We set up this function and then we called it over here. Where's that? Yeah, and then we just have to just reload the page. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, thank you,
Thank
Henry.
you. Henry.
I have does
Well,
anyone
we
have
were
any questions?
starting.
All right, if there are no questions, I have
Wait, excuse me, wait.
um
300 level
not
first
a
semester.
not a question, but I'm just wondering if uh did you discuss this like as a team about the delete about the delete functionality?
Yes, we
Yes, we actually did. So after like an hour, 30 minutes of brainstorming, so we could not figure it out. So I actually did like some personal research, and then so the initial mistake we made was
Second.
we're looking at the
Wow.
at the items now in the that's a reference item in the user's array as a string and not as a reference. So we're actually using trying to pass the value in the array remove method as a string, not knowing that we had to
Oh,
get
I
the
really wish I
document
went to
ref.
the
So
canyon
that
the
was how
last
we were
week
able to
because
figure
I
it
don't
out.
know where the people are
Okay, yeah.
rushing me to.
So we tried it and then it worked. That was how we were able to get around it.
Okay, great. I'm just wondering if this is like it's
No,
working
no, finish
perfectly, which
my
is great.
exam like
Mm,
that's my
I'm
second
just wondering
semester
if
third year.
should
So
everyone has
yeah,
access to delete
by
the
April
lists.
that will
For
be like
example, if I
that's
have a
my
list and I share that list
400
with you
credit.
or with any other Collabi,
He didn't call anything.
the owner only should be able to delete the list, not the people I shared with. What if I still need that list and someone else deleted it? Not sure if that's clear or not, but it's something to discuss for the
Yeah.
next week.
Yes, yes, but that would mean, because there's actually no way of knowing who's the owner of the list. Because if you share me your list, that particular reference, it's now being added on my shared list, this thing. Ali. So that would mean that you
Oh,
made me like, yeah, an owner. So unless there's like a owner key that we could use to track who owns that list, that could work. But there's actually no way of knowing, because if you share this, you give me access to that particular reference. So that reference is now also in my own shared list array. So that means I could do whatever I want with that value. So unless
okay.
there's a way that we can add a condition that will check, for who initially created that list and then have it stored somewhere, maybe that could work.
Yeah, I guess we have an owner field on the list. You may want to use that. But anyway, great work,
Okay, okay.
great functionality. It's a good addition.
Okay, I think I'm going next.
Okay, you will
Can
go.
you,
You will keep.
can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay. So I think I'm meant to go next.
Okay, sure, go ahead.
I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so I worked on the list page. I actually did that last week. So, but I also like extended other functionalities which the mentors spoke about, like protecting the route and also displaying the currently selected lists on the somewhere on the screen. So I'll be going over the first one, which is the route protection. So first of all, I'll be going over the UI implication of my code and trying to walk you guys through what it looks like. So currently we are signed in. So that means we are able to access any page, the manage list page and whatever list, whatever page we want to access. But as soon as I hit the sign up button, okay, I can't access any of those page that can influence the database. So I can't even see anything here. So we just added a bit of web protection. That was it. And when I sign in, this was internet is good. Okay. Okay, so I'm signed in now. So now I'm able to access those pages. So that was the UI implication. But I think I also worked on this side here. So I think it must have been removed during the merge
Merge.
conflicts, resolving the
Yep.
merge conflict. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think I may have touched something on the layout page. Yeah, I think I did. So I think that was my fault. So I would fix that later. So I'm walking you guys through the code for the web protection. Okay, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, we can.
Yep.
Okay, so I had to create a new file, to extend that functionality, which is the protected routes the GXs. So what that does is just basically get the current user state. So if the user is signed in or not, so if the user is signed in, we have a user data. If the user is not, we have a null value. So we have a custom hook already in place to actually handle that. So which is here. So it returns a user and then a pending state, which checks if the request is still fetching or not. So when the request resolves, it turns into a false. So initially I had a context here, context API stuff I was handling all this, but then later pointed that out, and I actually figured that I didn't actually have to have that. I could just use the custom book and then use it in the protected routes and then use the values. So if the pending state is true, it returns this loading please wait. So if it is not, it returns this. So this is just simply internal operator, so which returns either the outlet or navigates the user back to the home page. So when this user is null, this is returned. If it's not, we have the outlet page, outlets UI will be returned. So, and then I had to wrap that. Okay, here. Yes, so right here. So I had to to include that particular logic here in the route. So I simply put in the route that I want to protect into this particular route parent, and then passed in protected route as a value in the element. So when we try to navigate to this, let's say the slash list page, so this runs first. So if that runs, so if we have a user, the outlet runs. So the outlet is this particular um, UI here, or this particular code that we have here. So I also took a similar approach for the other page. That's the manage list page. So that was just basically what I did for this week. I basically handled route protection and also the current selected list, so which I will be fixing later today.
All right, great. It looks perfectly and love it. Does anyone have any questions? All right, if there are no questions, I guess there is still Jamila need to go, right?
Yep, I'm next.
Okay, let's go.
Can everyone see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Okay, for some reason it's still loading. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so this is the managed list page. Yeah, I think what I could have done here, I'm only seeing the background now, is added the frosted effect, the same frosted effect as in this side here. But yeah, it's kind of difficult to see. So the changes I've made on the manage list page is I have the two forms next to each other instead of like stacked on top of each other. So here you've got the add list item form and then the share list form. I made some minor changes. So the input is a blue color so that it's easier to see. But with this background, it's not easy to see. And the changes to some of the labels. So when will you repurchase instead of I can't remember the other, but this was slightly different anyway. And yeah, to be honest, I'm not really good with Tailwind CSS, so I did use Flexbox, just normal Flexbox to arrange this, and margin top, margin bottom. And that's it. I didn't really make any significant changes other than CSS.
Can you add
all
an
right.
item so we can see how
Yep,
it looks
sure.
with items?
Oh no, this is probably one that already exists, so it's gonna show up the error. This one already exists, so the error handling still works. Red item saved to database. Now, if I want to share to an email that is not recognized, the error will show. If I add my own email address, it should be recognized. Error handling works exactly the same.
Okay, great. I guess you said you will need to add the class effects, right?
Yeah, the frosted glass effect, yeah.
Okay.
Same
Because
as
Can you
the
go
page.
to list again, please?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is that I didn't remember how these look. Okay.
Yeah.
I guess it should be added to the list as well.
Yeah. And also,
Is it-
wasn't the smart shopping list like in the previous one black, the part on the back? Or is it me?
I guess it's because of the user preference.
Okay, because
It's
when
like
it's
dark
black,
mode.
yeah,
It's
when it's
dark
dark
mode.
mode, you cannot see the title too.
Yeah. So I guess it's defaulting to the. I'm not sure why, but I guess it's defaulting to the user preference. So the header, the navbar. So if you have dark mode set up on your appearance,
Let me see if I can change that. Oh, it's a reload. Why is it showing me local? Okay, here. No,
Hmm?
it's still day.
Then I don't know why, but it was black, no? It wasn't my eyes.
yeah.
I thought
Yeah, no, it was.
okay. So maybe something to investigate. Yeah, in general, I think I have astigmatism. I don't know how you say that in English, but my eyes, I cannot see the lines.
Mm-hmm.
So the color of the things for me is super hard in general.
Oh, okay. You need like better contrast.
Yes, I don't know, better contrast or what, but yeah, with the black and the other thing, I didn't see anything. But now it's what you say in the managed list and the list, you need something different from the background for people like me.
Mm-hmm.
Even when you write when you put that item and it's black with that blue, for someone like me, it's hard to see
Okay.
in
Yeah,
general.
it's
That's
it's
like
rel
general feedback. It's in general of
it's
the
related it's related to dark mode actually. It's related to the dark mode. Now when I open at me, I have dark mode and it's black. The banner is black. What you did is you added some extension that makes your Chrome banner all black, what I see.
Oh,
It's
okay.
you didn't actually change the yeah, but something to look at next week. Make
yeah.
sure that when you have dark mode, they don't change that. I guess there is an option on Tailwind to say what you want to follow, if you want to follow the system preference or not. I guess there is an option for that. Tailwind has an option.
Okay.
Uh,
Cool.
okay. Great. The app looks great so far. There are some small details that you should work on next week. Yeah. And we only have 5 minutes for the retro. I'm not sure. So if it depends on you, if you have time, if you are able to go for other 20 minutes or something like that, we can go ahead and do the retro. If not, we can do it asynchronously. We can just fill the, so maybe we can vote or something. I don't know. Let's see who can stay and who can't stay. Whoever can't stay, just like raise your hand or something like that.
No, I can't stay. I have to prepare food.
Okay, Jamila need to prepare food, and let's see for the others.
I have an appointment, sorry, after this.
Okay, so maybe we can just fill we can just fill the retro asynchronously. Just leave some good vibes, some good sharing up for everyone. Yeah, if everyone is okay with that, David, you were supposed to
Yep.
to
I only
lead
would
the retro.
say, I only would say that I would like, if we do async for the last column, try to extend yourselves. So we want to know what's going to be your next move.
Yeah, that's
We are
actually
curious about that. Yep.
Yep. Okay, so
I will ping you.
Campbell.
Yeah, I will ping you to remind about the retro.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Is there any questions or anything you wanna say?
No questions.
Okay. So this is our last weekly sync. So thank you all so much for your time and for your commitment during this cohort. And I hope you achieve the best in your careers. Yeah. Anyone want to say anything? Any
Thank you.
last words?
Thank you,
No,
Tita.
this is not a goodbye. Come on.
Yeah, this is the goodbye moment. Yeah, so let's
Any last words kind of sounds like you're being pushed off a pirate ship with a sword.
last words, yeah. Any last words? It's like
There is still work to do, and we are going to still be around.
All right, cool.
Yeah, but anyway, we are all still in Slack for now. Yeah. So there is also another, I'm not sure when, I think the invite hasn't been sent yet, but there is a last meeting for the whole cohorts. All the teams will gather and show their app. I have no idea how that will work actually because it's new. It's a new thing, and yeah. But if there is anything, any updates, any question, we can always discuss them on Slack. And I will see you again later, maybe in the next in this next cohort thing. If not, that's the goodbye. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you,
Bye.
everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you around. Thank you.
Bye.